Welcome back to Quantreef.com. SOL is sitting at 93.81, right in a squeeze zone between its VWAPs and a fib extension overhead. Let's run through liquidity, support and resistance, VWAP, fibs, fair value gaps, positioning and where this likely goes over the next several hours. Price is at 93.81, trend still constructive off the daily structure but momentum's cooling, Fibonacci location score is weak at 43 and volatility's reading neutral. Price is trading below session VWAP at 95.34, but above both anchored VWAPs from the swing high and low, sitting around 91 to 92. That's acceptance above the anchored value but rejection so far at session value. The liquidation map isn't printing clean pool data on this cycle, so I'll lean on structure instead. What we do know from order flow is that taker volume is basically balanced, slightly short heavy, which tells you neither side has fully pressed in the futures market. That balance usually means price keeps probing both sides looking for the resting stops before it commits. On the panel right now, resistance above sits at target 1, 102.74, then target 2 at 111.12, and target 3 just above that at 111.18. Support below is the fib 0.618 at 90.97, then the stop-loss level at 89.83. Given price is already stretched into extension territory, the 0.618 support is more likely to get tested first. A break of the stop-loss level would invalidate the bullish red. No fair value gaps sit above price right now, but there are three unfilled bullish gaps below, one around 82.50 to 84, another spanning 77.40 to 84 on the daily, and one near 77.65 to 81. All are magnets if price pulls back. On the fib swing from 76.59 to 88.09, price is already through the 1.272 extension and sitting just under the 1.618 extension at 95.20, about 1.5% away. That extension level is more likely to get reacted to first than the gaps below. The card grades this elevated, with an N of 88 and HTS of 66. Crypto relative strength is carrying it hard at 99.5, trend and volume layers also strong in the mid-80s, but Fibonacci location at 43 and macro regime at 50 are dragging the score down. Retail and top account positioning aren't printing, but the 4-hour taker split is 48.5% long against 51.5 short, sellers marginally more aggressive, but it's close to balanced. With price stretched into the 1.618 extension near 95.20, that's the more natural magnet first, sellers likely lean on it. If buyers push through, 102.74 opens up. If sellers win here, the pullback targets are the 0.618 support at 90.97, then those unfilled gaps down near 82 to 77. Taker flow is balanced enough that either side could get squeezed quickly. Remember, SOL largely follows Bitcoin's own liquidity flow, so check Bitcoin's picture before leaning either way. Bullish case holds above 90.97, targets 102.74. Bearish case triggers below 89.83, opening the gap fills toward 80 and 77. So we're at a real decision point. Whoever takes the next liquidity pool first likely dictates the next leg. If this breakdown helped, drop a like and subscribe. Quantreef.com runs this same 9-layer grade, probability and liquidity read across more than 100 coins, with a 7-day trial if you want to dig deeper. This is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.